Okay, so here we have the box, and I assume this is the trial package, and inside of it we have some paperwork telling you what it's about. This one is like a receipt here, or a return label here, and just more information on the product. So in the bag, this is a nice share bag here, literally share bag, pun intended. So inside the bag we have 4 packets of, it says Share Pomelozzini, fermented pomelo. So this is a fermented prune. We have 4 of them here, and also this interesting package here of liquid. It says Share Acqua de Oro. It says the drink of fermented fruit and vegetables. So I'm interested to see what this is all about, because I wasn't aware this was coming. And that's the bag, as I said before, that it came in. And this was the package of, this was a 1-month package of prunes, quite large. It says here minimum 33 pieces in there. It says fermented green plum Japanese apricot. And apparently they've been doing this since 1980. It says here, I'm a real fruit, pay attention to the pit inside. I assume you don't eat the pit. And here is all the information on the back. So I'm really interested to get started with this. I've seen some good reviews. So I just noticed, guys, this says fermented pomelo, and this one says fermented green plum, Japanese apricot. So there are 2 different kinds that are here. And on the back of the packaging, it is written, the instructions are written in German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, and this looks like Dutch. So, and they have a hotline here if you have questions. Let me just read quickly. It says ingredients: fermented green plums, Japanese apricot, herb coating 2.5% of mulberry fruit, mate leaves, tabular cassia, goji berries, cranberries, sea buckthorn, carrot extract, fermented and cultured for a minimum of 30 months. So that's very interesting. And it does say, it says important, you drink 500 milliliters of warm water, about 40 degrees Celsius afterwards. So after taking each of the plums, and I assume it's 1 a day, from what I understand, you have to drink 500 milliliters of water. And it says this product is 100% vegan and free from preservatives, gluten, and lactose. Okay. This drink, as I read the information here, it says Acqua de Oro means golden water. It's an elixir. It says, even in the source of the fountain of youth, you couldn't find any better ingredient than Share Acqua de Oro. So you can find, among others, the fermented juices of aloe, alma, pineapple, Japanese apricot, broccoli, goji, pomegranate, guava, kamut, mangosteen, pitaya, papaya, celery, to name just the most important. So this is just part of that system. So I'm very curious. I'm going to open one of the plums just so you can see what it looks like. And I imagine they're all individually wrapped in the larger container there. So this is really interesting looking. Wow, this is really kind of scary looking. It smells really nice though. It smells like a prune. But as the information said, it was coated in various herbs. So you would eat it, I guess, like this, and I'm going to give it a try. It actually tastes really good. Definitely pruny. And the coating is kind of like dry powder on it, but that's from the mate and all the other things that they've put there. But if you can see here, I don't know if you can see that, it's quite moist inside. It's fermented for at least 30 months, they said. And it tastes really good. So I'm going to eat this. This would be day 1. I want to get through the first day though and see if it has any effect on my body. And I'll update you on that. It's good. So I'm going to finish eating this and drink the 500 milliliters of water as they suggested. So I finished eating the prune and all that's left is just a pit that I'm going to throw away. And I have my 500 milliliters of warm water that I'm going to drink immediately. Okay guys, so I just wanted to share with you the contents of the pouch here. And you can see the green plums. It seems as if the whole package contains just these green plums, whereas the trial pouch had this pomolezzini. So it's been about 36 hours since I've tried the first prune, and I have to tell you, it definitely cleans you out. So I would suggest that you only take it on a day where you will be home all day, because you may need to run to the bathroom at any point in time. And of course, it may affect every person differently. So if you're lucky, it may not have that effect on you, but that's how it affected me. But I do have to say, I felt a lot lighter after the last bowel movement. Yeah, so today, 36 hours later, I'm going to give the Share Aquadoro a try. This is fermented. Let's see here. This is fermented with aloe, alma, pineapple, Japanese apricot, broccoli, goji berry, pomegranate, guava, camut, mangosteen, pitaya, papaya, celery, just to name the most important ones. So I'm going to give it a try. It's in this container here, and I thought I'd wait, until the effects of the prune that I took wore off. So as I said, it's been about 36 hours. I'm going to just pour out a little of the liquid here so you can have an idea of what it looks like. It looks like prune juice. So I'm going to give it a try. And it's very, very mild. It actually reminds me of like grape juice, something to that effect. So I'm going to go ahead and drink this, and then I'll let you know the effects of this.